Very good morning, students, and welcome back in the online session of math. See, students, we were there in the chapter number 13, fields and fences. Okay, and one more thing, students, already you have done this chapter, and so we'll do one thing, we'll take this chapter as a revision. Okay, and whatever the PDF I have sent, don't write in your notebook. Okay, just it's a revision, just take it as a revision. Okay. So, we were in the page number 151 that I have given in the homework, and today we will start from revision from the page number 152. Okay, from here. Chandu's father is called the young old man in his village. At 70 years of age, he is fully fit. Do you know his secret? He goes for a walk around the field every morning. Every day he takes 4 rounds of Chandu's field. What is the total distance he covered? That we have to find. See, he is taking the 4 round of the field. So first we will find the boundary of the field, that how much is the field, and then we will multiply it with by 4. So we will get the 4 round of that one. So let's move to the solution. Okay. See where we are. We are here. See, this is the field of the Chandu, right? This one. And what is given over there? The boundary of the Chandu field equals to 100 meter, then plus 150 meter, plus 100 meter, plus 150 meter. So total is 500 meter. Okay. This whole, this we have added, this one and this one, the 4 sides of the field that we have added. Okay. So total the field of this one, total the boundary of the field is 500. So the total distance covered by the Chandu father, already how many round he is taking? 4 rounds. So what we will do? 500 into 4 we will do. Why? Because the Chandu's father daily he is taking the 4 round around the field. Okay. So the total distance covered by the Chandu father equals to 4 into boundaries of Chandu's field. That's 4 into 500 meter equals to 2000 meter equals to 2 kilometer. So daily Chandu's father is taking walking distance is 2 kilometer. Daily he is going on a walk for the 2 kilometers. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Let's move to the textbook first. Ganpat's wife worked in a tailor shop. She had to fix lace around a tablecloth. See, this is the tablecloth, and the Ganpat's wife want to fix a lace around the tablecloth. Now the question is that how much length lace she wants. Okay. She brought a 100 meter roll of lace. Already she is having the 100 meter roll of lace. Look at the picture of the tablecloth and tell how much lace is used for one tablecloth. So how much is used? Here 1 meter and 50 centimeter is there. Here 50 centimeter. Here again 15 centimeter, and here 1 meter and 50 centimeter. So let's move to the textbook. Let's move to the solution. The length of the lace of one is 1 meter. What they have done? See, both of the sides are equal, and this both are the equal. So what they have done? 2 into 1 meter, this one I am writing, 50 centimeter plus 50 centimeter equals to 2 meter. This calculation is of 2 meter, and two sides having the cloth is like a rectangular shape. See. Okay. So this two sides, this one and this one, 1 meter and the 50 centimeter plus this 50 and this 50. So they have written one time into 2 they have done. That means it's a twice became. So 2 into 2 meter equals to 4 meter lace she wants. That lady wants a 4 meter lace for this tablecloths. Okay. Now find out the length of the boundary of the shapes. See, then after what they're saying that hint, you can use a thread. So students, I'm giving you this activity. It's a fun activity. You can do it with the thread. You have to place the thread over there, and then after you have to measure the thread. Whatever the boundary it's covering, you have to mark on the thread, and then after you can measure that thread. Okay, what is there? How many squares are there in each shapes? That we have to find. Which shapes cover the least number of the squares? That you have to find. Which shapes cover the most number of the squares? Okay, so those three things you have to find. And what there in the solution? To find the length of the boundary, take a long piece of thread and carefully place along the boundary of the shapes. Cut out the exact length of the thread needed for covering the shapes, starting from one point and coming back to the same point. On measuring this, the length of the thread, we obtain the length of this thread. We obtain the boundary of the shapes. Repeat the process for each shape. See, as I told you that what you are supposed to do, just put a thread over here, and then cut that thread, and then after measure that thread. Okay, so you will get the boundary of these shapes. In this, both these whole things, and three of them, you have to do the same things. Okay, so this is the fun activity I'm giving you in the homework, and it's a revision. That means you can do it easily at home. Okay, already one time you have done these whole things. Okay, so the remaining from here we will continue in our next video session. Okay, so today we'll stop over here, and that's all for the day, students. Have a wonderful day.